Today we will be making butternut squash soup. It's one of our family favorites. You can replace it with other squashes, kabocha squash, acorn squash, honey nut squash, delicata squash. You can mix and blend them all. It's a great soup for the cold, chilly days. It's thick and creamy, a little bit sweet. It's also really simple. I'll be using coconut milk in this recipe, but you're welcome to use any other milk you like or cream. I'll be using honey to sweeten it, and you can use maple syrup, molasses, brown sugar, any sweetener that you like, or none. All right, let's get started. Peel the squash. Cut the squash into large chunks. See my method here. And place in a bowl for later use. Scrape the seeds out and place into a discard pile. If you have chickens, they'll love this compost. Cut a medium to large size onion. Cutting it in half first with the peel on makes it easier to peel. And rinsing the onion under cold water will help prevent tears in your eyes while cutting. Cut along the natural lines seen in the onion, and then cut again halfway through it. Cut 3 to 4 garlic cloves. I cut the tips off and then smash them with the knife to easily peel off the skins. If using the Instapot, put on sauté, add oil. When hot, add the onions. You can also do this in a crock pot on your stove top. Stir a couple minutes, add in the garlic, add in bay leaf. Here I'm adding in cinnamon and curry powder. Giving it a good stir, coating the onions, and then pouring in the butternut. Stirring that in, coating the butternut with all the good spices. Next, adding in 2 teaspoons of salt and half teaspoon pepper. And lastly, 32 ounces of broth. Press the soup button, make sure the lid is sealed, and have a nice dance. When the soup is done, release the seal, adding in 2 cups of milk. Here I'm using coconut milk, and a 1/4 cup of honey. Time to blend it all up. Now for the taste test, the moment of truth. You can always add salt or pepper. You can add a little cayenne for an extra spice. If too salty, you can add water or more milk or cream. Voilà, et bon appétit!